Yep, this video is purposely made for the Gulf Soil Health Authority. We occasionally used to have the break and enter with the pharmacy, and yesterday in the night we had another break and enter. All man come now stealing all marasin inside lo uh, pharmacy below Kerma Hospital. So this video is roughly me just on Olben kam yusim I think ball kata to all katim this alwaya na all burkim this la go inside. Okay, I stay all just bite him this la kapa ya. I'll just pass him. So this la I'm also putting prescription inside there. So me plan plenty development all messages uklo kam lo government na pharmacy I'm still stop one kind. So suppose you look in this la video, you leader man or you man where you by got some reaction on this, please comment below on my video. Yes, thank you. I'm Pasol. I'm this la video blow pharmacy. This pharmacy has been built so a long time ago, and it's been here now by renovation. Having a lot of problems. Okay, thank you for watching this video. You got good day.